They are though. Hey. Yo, hey, back with the second video, you feel me? We in the blue thing, yes sir, in the mirror. Finna go get this oil change for the first time after 5,000 miles. Go ahead and get it back right. Our oil life right now back is at 18% right now. So I definitely want to get it done. Like my only time I had to take off for work. Went in, you know, after lunch, had to go. Bye-bye. You know, yeah, I look rough. I know. I ain't had a haircut in a long time. Just, you know, just making these more healthy and more rich. By not getting no haircut and stuff. But, yeah. I'm definitely gonna get one soon, though, you know. I look real rough. But I'm gonna get back with y'all boys and girls when I get there, for sure. Cause I'm trying to need to vibe, man. Got a kick. Listen to some jams or something, you know, some J-Dot. If y'all know who J-Dot Breezy is, man, y'all better. That boy like that for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get there. Oh man, we have to do this shit. It's cold as heck out here, bro. Hey, check us out. Anyways, it's chilly out here. It's a good little dealership. Y'all heard that thing wake up? Not playing. Y'all heard it wake up. Y'all check this one out. The RS. It's tough. Y'all just wait, man. I love my red color. That red is so tough. Right here. Yeah. Like that. I might go look at it. Let's see nothing but trucks though. I don't really see nothing like crazy. It's nothing but trucks. It's a small district and a small town. But yeah. Finna get that thing serviced. Need to. Ain't dirty. Ain't mean dirty enough like that. Ain't dirty. But I can't wait to get diffusers. I got some diffusers coming. And I got some of the side diffusers, middle diffusers coming. I got we're finna delete the muffler, straight piper, probably 5-inch tips. I need to tint it more because look, y'all obviously can see through my cat. I don't like that. But yeah. It's dirty. But finna get them right. Walk around. Let's go. Walk around. Hey, now this truck hard. It's exactly what I want. My dream truck is a 2500 HD. I definitely want a 2500. This one's clean. Got it 2 mirrors already. Ain't clean. Heard about a new Tahoe coming in. Just Tahoe hard. I said something about a Tahoe SS coming out or something. I don't know if it's true or not, but that'd be tough. Something to compete with the SRT cheap. Sight. Ain't not compared to that or the checkout. This high country tough. It's a suburban though. Definitely ain't nothing really much over here. Just some cars. Ain't nothing really. But yeah, this truck hard. Yeah, we getting on the lift. We getting on the lift. Yo, so I don't know what happened with my camera. Cut off. For some reason, it cut off. I think I ain't having no storage, so I went ahead and deleted a few things. But the car, where is the car? I'm tripping. Yeah, the car right there. He getting it right. I'm getting my tires rotated too. My uncle said to get my tires rotated when I get an oil change. Forgot what the reasoning was, but it's a good reason. If you're telling me that, it's a real good reason. But yeah, man, junk crazy. How fast they get this junk done. It's almost done, for real. He already cleaned it, put another can in there, everything. Now I'm finna just rotate the tires. For real, for real. But yeah, ain't a lot out here, but it's easy to be expected doing I live in the country. I'm not in no big city or nothing like that. I'm just in the country. That's the dreams though, you know, move out. This is, the country for real to me is like, it's like, it's for retired people, for real. This is where all the retired people go. Live out their best life afterwards. Cause it's peaceful as hell. It is. Ain't no rush hour traffic, nothing like that. But yeah, I wanna move somewhere like down south though. I live in Florida, so I wanna move like down south. It'd be way better content out there too. I know a few spots that my homeboy know in Lakeland, stuff like that. They be going crazy out there. I ain't been to one yet, but I want to go to one. Most definitely. But yeah, ain't not really much. Just waiting on him to finish doing that and rotate my tires, and then we out for real. But I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I get back in the car, or right before I get in the car, like when they letting it down. But yeah, man. Yo, so be back in the car, you feel me? Back in the mirror, man. It sound way better with this new oil. I ain't gonna lie to you, it do sound way better, even though these roads like really loud and bumpy. But man, yeah. I like how I drive now. It sounds pretty good. But like I was saying, we gotta get some mid mufflers, deletes, all that. We gonna make this thing sound way better. I'm getting some diffusers. We got a little bit more, but I ain't gonna just spoil it all. But yeah, we got a little bit more stuff coming. And about my last video, man, it was 5 minutes, but it was supposed to be longer. Somehow the last part of it got deleted and stuff, but it's alright, man. It was my first video, like I said, my first little, you know, vlog like that, but I don't know what happened, but you know, there's always room to improve. So I wasn't tripping on it. I was just glad I got my first video out. But yeah, man, we got a lot going for this car, and a lot of stuff going on. We might have a little car meet going on spring break. You never know. We'll have some good little content going on. I might go down south, hang out back at my old college with my old friends for a few. Miss them. I ain't seen them in a minute. Good little minute. But yeah, but instead of talking y'all head off, that was just it for the video, man. Just oil change after 5,000 miles. That's not bad though. 5,000 miles of oil change. But yeah, this thing drive good, real good, and gas mileage is no biggie for real. It's a V6, good gas mileage. But make sure y'all thumbs up this video. It's gonna be more videos, way better videos. You know, I'm still getting the groove of this, but yeah, it's gonna be way better. Make sure y'all thumbs up the video, like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all in the next one, man. Phil Baby T, man. We gonna go up, nothing but going up. We gonna straight ahead, not looking backwards. Most definitely. I'm out.